In this video, I will show you how to create a MetaMask wallet safely step by step for beginners in 2026. Yes, guys, if you want to use your MetaMask wallet, you must watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info and also press the bell icon button. Well, you can see here right up on I have installed many extension of wallets, but today we are going to discuss about MetaMask. So how can you download, how to install, and how to take the backup. All information I'm going to give you in this video. Simple as that. First of all, you go to the type here MetaMask wallet extension. After that, you can see here there's shown MetaMask official Google Chrome extension. You just click on it. If you are going to use phishing website, so your fund will be lost. So going to click on it. Now the Google Web Store is open in front of me, and you can see here there is option available here, add to Google Chrome. I just simple click on it, and after that click on add extension. Now waiting for this. Right top corner you can see here the extension is going to download. It's maybe it takes some time. Now extension is successfully download, and after that automatically install in my system. So first of all, I'm going to pin this MetaMask in my Google Chrome browser. You can see here, pin here, and now MetaMask main interface is open in front of me. In this video, we are going to discuss what is the MetaMask. MetaMask is a decentralized wallet. If you have your seed phrases, then you can easily recover or restore your wallet. Okay. Second, how we can install. You can see here, I especially download MetaMask from the Google Web Store. This is an authentic web store. And now we are going to discuss how we can create account. Simple is that you can see here there's two options available here. First, create a new wallet. Second, I have an existing wallet. So we are a newcomer, so that I'm going to click on new, create a new wallet. Then you can see here there's three options available here. Continue with Google, continue with Apple, or you can use secret recovery phrases. So I recommend it to you, please use third option. This is the best for me or you just simple click on it, and then you need to enter your strong password here. If you want to save your account scammer or hacker, so you must apply your strong password like your bank account. Okay, I'm going to again enter my strong password here. Now click on if I lose the password, MetaMask can't reset it. Okay, now the next step is create a password. You can see here save your recovery phrases. Simple click on it, and all phrases shown here. I'm going to copy all phrases. Simple, and go to the open notepad file. The notepad file is open in front of me. Simple paste here. All phrases I have paste my notepad file. So now going to click on confirm. This is your secret recovery phrases. Write it down and the correct order and keep it as safe. Simple click on continue, and you can see here there's two options available here. I will confirm phrases number 2 from my notepad file. So you can see it, two number phrases available here. Just simple copy and paste here. Sorry, you just simple select the below line. Second forward, 10 number is going to check 10 number. Yes, 10 number is print and last one is onion. Okay, now going to click on continue. Not quite right, double check your secret recovery phrases and try again. Means I have entered wrong recovery phrases. When you enter your wrong recovery phrases, you can't create your account. I'm going to again check 7 number, fine, 8 number, dial, and 12 number is onion. Fine, dial, and onion. Now perfect, got it. And product update I need. Simply click on continue button and open a wallet. So you can see here I have successfully opened my MetaMask wallet. First we need to take the backup of our wallet. You can see here I have take my MetaMask backup, all phrases I have saved. So be careful when you are, and keep in your mind, when you have created your account, you must save your backup phrases in your safe place, because sometimes you need to recover your account, you must have your seed phrases. So this is the main interface of your our MetaMask. I'm going to click on it full screen. It's available here. Yes, available here. I also giving some more information about MetaMask. You can see here main interface is open in front of me. There's all coin is available here. Big name is available here. Bitcoin, Tron, Ethereum, and BNB, and also Polygon. So here's in this video I have completely give you information how to install MetaMask, create a new wallet, save your secret recovery phrases, and set your password. If you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.